What is going on, eaters and feeders, Earth2 enthusiast, novice, and everyone in between, and basically anybody who's interested in earning some free money, because I've recently found a pretty impressive program. I think it's pretty ingenious, and I like the fact that you can make money in bed, and you actually average like 60 bucks an hour doing this. Now, it's obviously not unlimited, but let's dig into how this works and what this is. Now, the first thing I want to show you guys is the Bitcoin incentive, because this seems to be really cool in and of itself. The other stuff I'll get into in just a moment, but right now, and I don't know how long they're going to be offering this, but you will get $10 for referring somebody in, and you will also get $10 for investing in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency through Coinbase, as long as you invest at least $100. So if you follow my link, which is going to be in the show notes, along with some other links for this program that I'll be getting into in just a moment, you will be able to get $10 if you want to throw 100 bucks on Bitcoin or really any currency. It looks like it's for any cryptocurrency, as it says right here, if a friend buys or sells it. So please use my link, and then once you're signed up in Coinbase, go ahead and find the referral links that you'll have, and you can share those with your friends and family, and also get some extra money that, again, it can go into an investment, or you can convert this stuff to dollars and pull it right out if you're not looking to really get into cryptocurrency. But either way, Coinbase is offering a lot of easy ways to get some free money, and all you have to do is either go through their courses, which I'm about to go into, or just refer some people to get in. And an easy way, even without taking a course or referring anybody, is just to use my referral link. You'll get $10 back. So sounds good, right? Coinbase. Coinbase is basically an intermediary that allows people to get into cryptocurrency. Not only can you make your initial investment into the cryptocurrency world there, you can also do some buying, selling, trading, move that stuff to other more advanced platforms if you want. But everyone who's in cryptocurrency is very familiar with Coinbase. They're probably the biggest name in the game. If you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, this video is definitely for you, because this is a great way to get your feet wet and actually make money doing it. Yes, they are paying you to learn about these coins. Now, why would they be doing this? Well, it's a pretty ingenious marketing tactic, because they're pretty confident in the fact that if you know a little bit more about their project and they pay you with their own coins, which you can then convert to dollars if you want, but if they basically explain what their project is and why it's a good investment, and you get paid to learn this stuff, now you've got money in their coin, and you might think like, okay, I'll just leave it in here and see where it goes. And you're also probably going to be pretty likely to tell other people about it, because you've just learned about this new exciting coin. Now, some of these coins I've never heard of before. I've been in cryptocurrency for years. I've traded foreign exchange and options and stocks and all sorts of stuff. So cryptocurrency was something that I dove into really early on, way before like any of my friends. So there's so many coins out now that it is hard to keep up with. That's one of the reasons I think this is so ingenious, because this is a major differentiator. They're on a major platform, which is Coinbase. If you're on Coinbase, it basically means you're like a really legit project. And then through Coinbase, they are paying you to learn about their coins. How much are they paying you? Well, Compound, which I've never heard of before, but Compound is paying you, you could make up to 59 bucks. How long is it going to take you to make that 59 bucks? Well, it all depends, but not very long. If you look, this video was 3 minutes long. They paid $3. This video, 3 minutes long, they paid $3. This video, 3 minutes long, they paid $3. See where we're going with this? That's an average of $60 an hour. Even if you're making half that, you're making it from your bed, you're making it, while waiting in line, you can make this on the toilet. Like, I've never seen anything like this, and I think it's ingenious. Now, I've got a referral code in the links below. I would really appreciate it if you were to use that. I think I get a $10 kickback for everybody who uses that, so that's awesome. And there's also some other programs, some other incentives, where if you were to use my link to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin. Everyone knows Bitcoin, right? Everyone, unless you're living under a rock, you know what Bitcoin is. I think we both get $10 from that, so check out that link as well. Here's Stellar. Now, Stellar Lumens, XLM, I've owned Stellar Lumens for years, so that's really cool that they're also participating in this program. Again, even the big boys are getting the word out through this medium. Again, look at the trend here. We got $2 for a 2-minute video. That's 60 bucks an hour. $2 for a 3-minute video. Okay, trending a little bit down. $2 for a 2-minute video, and so on. You can earn a total of $50 from Stellar Lumen. So that's $109 right there, just between those two. Let's scroll a little bit further down. And then there's some other incentives, some other benefits that they're offering. You get 5% if you invest in this Cosmos. And none of this is investment advice. I wouldn't, say follow what I do, but this is free money. Like I said, as soon as you complete this, you can transfer it to US dollars, take it out of the account if you want. You can leave it in there. I know a lot of people are trying to invest into Earth2.io, and I've got a ton of videos on that, so check those out. But this is a great way to get some extra money, and with Earth2.io exploding right now, it doesn't take a lot to see a pretty significant growth rate. $3 for Graph, $1 a minute, 1-minute video, $1, 1-minute video, $1, 1-minute video, $1. Cello, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce that. We got Cello, or Cello, I don't know. $2, 2 minutes, $2, 2 minutes, $2, 3 minutes. Maker coin, $6, $2 for 2 minutes, $2 for 2 minutes, $2 for 2 minutes. So as you guys can see, there's a lot, there are more coins to come. There is a limited supply of these coins, so you're definitely going to want to make sure that you get to this sooner before later, because they're not going to just be giving out unlimited amounts of coins. Once they're out, the promotion's over. There will be more coins coming out in the future. It looks like they've been adding different coins, and it depends on that coin when they want to do this promotion, but it looks like every month to 3 months. So not only should you probably get on this right now, but also keep an eye out for any further updates. You can sign up for another coin that we'll be releasing shortly, which is banned, and that will be something that I'm not sure how much you can make on that yet, but the details will be released pretty quickly. But as I mentioned, you can easily make over $100 just between these first two, and while you're here, you might as well tap into the other ones. And like I said, you can hold it, you can trade it, do whatever you want with it, but this is free money. It is legit. As you can see, this is past tense, earned. These are completed videos. This was paid. So this is legit. This is, Coinbase, again, if you're not familiar, they are the Coca-Cola of the cryptocurrency. There's not a more common or well-known name in the cryptocurrency world. Now, if this is the type of information that you dig and you want more of it, I highly suggest you subscribe and turn on those alert notifications for both of my channels. I don't know if you're watching this on Meal Prep Biz 101 or if you're watching this on Intentional Being, but Meal Prep Biz 101, that's my primary channel. That is more focused on startups, especially in the meal prep or food industry, but it kind of goes all over the place. I do discuss investments and mindset and kind of anything that I think other entrepreneurs would dig. And then Intentional Being is right now more focused on Earth2.io. If you are or are not familiar with Earth2.io, I would recommend that you check out Intentional Being, because I have content that will take you from not knowing anything about Earth2.io all the way up through the beginning stages, general concepts, to more advanced strategies and information, as well as real-time updates that I will post either be via live streams that are exclusively on Intentional Being, or periodic videos. I've been averaging about a video a day lately, just because there's been so much information coming out. So I would highly suggest, if that's stuff that is interesting to you, you want to invest in virtual assets or learn more about business or anything entrepreneurial, like I said, even mindset, meditation stuff, that is covered on both channels, but there is exclusive information that is only going to be released on one channel or the other. So to maximize the most of what you're going to be receiving from me, I suggest you subscribe and turn on the alert notifications for both. Again, my referral links are also in the show notes. I would deeply appreciate it if you were to use those when you take advantage of this amazing offer, so I get a little bit of a kickback. And I will continue to bring you guys this type of content and more. Basically, my principle is, if I find it interesting and worth sharing, I share it. So tune in, and I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.